The Resolve is a pair of wired open-ear earphones that are so lightweight and comfortable that, well, there's a good chance you'll forget you're even wearing them. So today, I'm going to give you a quick overview on some of the Resolve's features so you can get a feel for how they can benefit you in your day-to-day life. First off, there's the Resolve's open-ear design. They rest on top of your ear rather than inside of your ear canal, which makes it super comfortable, like I mentioned before, but also lets you hear what's going on around you. Now, I personally like to use it in the office so I can listen to music while still being able to hear if a coworker approaches or asks me a question. This also makes the Resolve a really safe option if you're outside, because it keeps you aware of any approaching cars or other hazards. Secondly, there's the built-in microphone, which is another reason why I love using these earphones in the office. See, I can take calls and join meetings without needing to switch devices. And since they're wired earphones, I can just plug it in and I'm ready to go right away. Plus, no charging. I suck at remembering to charge things. Third, there are built-in controls when you use the Resolve with your phone. So you can play, pause, adjust the volume, skip and replay tracks, and even accept, reject, and end calls without ever needing to touch your phone. Super convenient. Oh, and speaking of phones, number 4 is that the Resolve is compatible with pretty much all of them. There's the Lightning Jack version that works with older Apple devices, the USB-C version for Androids and other smartphones, and the aux version for tablets, laptops, and any phone that's lucky enough to still have an aux jack. Lastly, to make sure you can get that nice comfortable fit I mentioned earlier, the Resolve comes in 2 different sizes, which covers pretty much all ear sizes. And that's all I have for you today. We hope you enjoy your experience with the Resolve, and if you ever have any questions or need any help, reach out to us at support@avantry.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.